Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to watch another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. Today's video, this is one of our latest clients, H&M Services. They're based out of New Mexico. They were just here for their training. Why I'm excited about this and wanting to share this with you guys, this is another milestone for EcoWash Industries. This is the first capability in washing side-loading dumpsters. You know, I'm fortunate to get calls and inquiries through our website every single day, so it keeps me very busy. But the questions I ask is, what kind of dumpsters do you have in your area? And when these guys told me they have about 7,500 dumpsters surrounding them, side-loading dumpsters, right there I knew I had to build this truck for them. On top of front-loading dumpsters, they have capability of washing all size dumpsters, front load as well. And that's what truly separates us from the rest, is we build everything in-house to have more control of lead time, giving you better warranties, better customer service. Again, everything behind that chassis, from lifters to generators, hot water skids, we build it in-house. But more so, we offer you the Kickstarter package. So logo design, website, custom wrap, as you see here, fly you in for in-person training as these guys did. We're gonna give you the best value to help you start your business. And of course, it could wash residential bins as well. So if you're interested in starting this business, please feel free to give me a call, 480-789-0931. Once again, Greg Aganowski, I appreciate your time. Make it a great day.